Yes.
Oh, but you got me twice. All right, who wants the big piece?
Me.
Three of us.
Ese queque para 25 personas,
No shit.
como dan en Nicaragua.
Ooh, looks yummy.
Yeah. All right. Which one do you want? You want the big one? Both big? On which side do you want it, like this?
Yeah, like that.
How big is your mom?
I think that one is fine for her.
¿Ya lo probaste, mami?
No. Woo! Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna eat just that?
That's my piece. No, hold on. Take the picture.
No, I'm recording.
That's my piece. It's small, but Alright, now for you,
Yeah.
I'll just give you the rest of it.
Yeah, please.
I'll give you this big piece. Oh, with my finger in it.
Yeah.
Forget you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I'm trapped in a quarter, so I can't go nowhere.
Yep. Tastes
Hey.
good.
I know I can taste it
Mm.
on my face too.